What do you think?
Whoa, really cool. I won't go in it.
All right. Now start being amazed. What do you think?
Whoa, really cool. I won't go in it.
All right, let's go over here. Back here. To the back. Right there. Amelia, come here. Right here. Step up here.
There's already a motor. Whoa, this is cool. Daddy, does the motor work?
Yep, it needs carburetor clean, I'm sure.
It don't feel very safe.
Threw a bunch of junk up here.
Yeah, and it don't,
Pull that top board out.
it don't feel very safe.
It's because we're on the trailer. We're hooked to the truck, see? And it's very balanced. I'm standing on the tail, so it's picking up the nose. All right. Yeah. There's a solar panel. The battery might actually have power in it. Go down here and flip. Right here, flip these switches. Nothing? Nope. Let's have a good battery.
Power out. No, just a
You didn't bring a flashlight?
No,
Why not?
we're not that smart.
Nothing.
Turning them off.
Good. All right.
This
Go on up in there. Look at it. What do you think? Look. There's a toilet underneath that little thing right there.
need help.
Look, flip that up and look at it. Ooh, yeah. Potty.
Yeah! It's perfect. Wait. Booga booga!
Ooga booga. Look at that.
Oh, there's another hatch. Wait, is that a hatch over there, Daddy? What's that?
No, that's a solar panel.
Let me. I don't get out yet.
Look at that. Woo woo. Well, she's covered with massive filth. But what do you think? What do you think, guys? It needs a cleaning.
It needs real cleaning.
That's
I
right.
probably don't have to use paper towels and use wet paper towels to this
Yep.
to get this part. Dolphin, come here!
Run in there and get it.
Mommy!
Oh, look.
Bring Griffin up
Sorry, I
here.
didn't know my light worked when I had my
Bring
video on.
Griffin up here.
Look.
Shine in there. Come on, bring Griffin up here.
Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
Fun.
Here, go up there and pull the, look, see the sail? Don't do that, it just pumps water. I don't want to do it when it's dry. It might break the seal. See, there's a table, yeah?
Then Griffin up.
Go on. Oh, he's gonna get very dirty. We don't want to do this today.
What can I do?
Get back in there and go look. Here, look, this comes out. It's stuck. Just going in.
Can I see? I don't see the bed. How are you gonna fix
Look.
the solar panel?
Go up there and pull the rest of that sail out. Oh, cool. I didn't know there was anything in there.
Air horn.
Don't mess with it. All right, close that. Go over there.
Don't stop.
Yes, there's stuff.
What is this? What is
It's a window. It actually opens.